Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are doing well. Today I want to share something important with you. It's been 5 amazing years of learning together here on Learn Online. And Alhamdulillah, this journey has brought us to a community of over 7,500 subscribers. I'm deeply grateful for your support, your feedback, and your encouragement throughout these years. However, due to some technical limitations, I won't be able to continue uploading content on this channel, at least for now. But don't worry, the learning doesn't stop here. I will now be sharing all content in future on a new channel, which is run by a fellow educator, and the channel's name is LearningHUB. You can see the channel name and link right here on the screen, and it's also in the video description. Please subscribe there to stay connected and continue this journey of knowledge together. Jazakallah khair for being part of this community. Thank you so much for listening. Allah Hafiz.